In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails on Hotmail. Whether you're trying to avoid spam or simply don't wish to receive emails from certain senders anymore, knowing how to block emails can save you a lot of stress and keep your inbox clean. Let's dive right in and make sure you have complete control over the emails you receive. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Outlook login page. Outlook is part of the larger Microsoft 365 suite, so you can either visit the Outlook homepage directly or access it through Microsoft's main website. Once you arrive at the login page, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right of the web page. Enter your email address and password when prompted to access your Hotmail account. After successfully signing into your account, you'll be directed to the Outlook homepage. This is where you can manage all of your emails, view your inbox, send messages, and more. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click on Inbox. It's right there among other folders like Sent Items, Drafts, and so on. Your inbox is where all your incoming emails land, so it's the perfect starting point for our mission today. Now, scroll through your inbox until you find an email from the sender you want to block. If your inbox is quite full or you're having trouble finding that specific email, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the email address or the subject line. Once you have the email, click on it to open. With the email open, locate the three-dot icon, which is typically at the top right corner of the message window. These dots usually indicate more options. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. In this drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Block. Once you click on block, your account should automatically filter out any future emails from this specific sender. Keep in mind that blocking an email will prevent new messages from that sender from appearing in your inbox, thus efficiently reducing unwanted clutter. Blocking emails on Hotmail with these steps should be a breeze. Remember, managing emails and keeping your inbox organized will help you efficiently keep track of important communications. With these simple instructions, you can ensure that you only see the emails that truly matter to you. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful digital management tips. See you next time.